Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Akurit-4 Tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Lupin Ltd. Akurit-4 Tablet. Uses. Akurit-4 Tablet is used in the treatment of tuberculosis, commonly known as TB. It is an infectious disease that mainly affects the lungs, but can also impact other parts of the body. Benefits. Akurit-4 Tablet is a fixed-dose combination of 4 anti-tubercular medicines. It not only kills the bacteria causing TB, but also stops their growth. This helps clear the infection and prevents it from coming back. But remember, even if you feel better, complete the full course as prescribed by your doctor. Side effects. Like most medicines, Akurit-4 can cause side effects in some people. Common ones include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and rash. Some rare, but serious effects include liver issues, vision problems, and blood disorders. If you notice unusual symptoms, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Akurit-4 exactly as prescribed. It should be taken on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not crush or chew. Avoid consuming foods rich in tyramine like cheese, smoked meat, and certain types of beer while using this medication. How it works. Akurit-4 is a combination of 4 powerful anti-TB drugs: rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol. Together, they kill TB bacteria and stop their growth, giving your body the power to fight and eliminate the infection.